welcome back. In this episode of What Are We Printing Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to personalize a puzzle. I get a lot of customers where they use beautiful designs with children names. So I thought this is a great idea to show you. So come a little closer. We got here TTC. It's going to be, of course, like this. So you're going to see it mirrored. Here I got the puzzle. It's on a carton, so the puzzle doesn't go everywhere. And I got some plain paper. So we're gonna put the plain paper onto the rubber. We're gonna put the carton with the puzzle pieces on there. And we have the beautiful puzzle for Melissa, which we're gonna put onto the puzzle. Like this. Then we're gonna use some release paper so that the paper doesn't stick to the heat platen. And then we're gonna press it for 190 degrees for 15 seconds with high pressure. Really easy to do in one step, and the MagicTouch TTC 3.1 you can also use for white t-shirts, light color sweaters, hoodies, puzzles, also mouse pads or slippers. We're gonna remove the release paper, and now you're gonna see, guys, it's a hot peel. So you're gonna see now how easy this beautiful puzzle for Melissa is gonna turn out. And here, Melissa, this is for you, a beautiful personalized puzzle in less than 20 seconds. And imagine this for businesses to give to children and to give them an introduction to making puzzles, but with their own names. It's gonna be way more fun. So that's how easy it is using the MagicTouch TTC 3.1 to decorate a puzzle.